What makes a man instantly more attractive no matter his age? What do older men usually do better than younger men? Do you think attraction can grow over time?
Also, I can also date a broke man because foreigners love Filipinas and
In your opinion, could young Filipinas in their 20s and 30s really love a 50-year-old foreigner? What's your name and how old are you?
I'm Sophia po, 22 years old.
This is our second time here. What makes a man instantly more attractive no matter his age?
For me po, it's smell because a lot of people or other girls are attractive in perfume, the way he put perfume on their body po.
Including you.
Yes po.
Do you think attraction can grow over time?
I think yes po.
What's more attractive, confidence or youth?
I think confidence po. Because if you have confidence, you have a lot of work to do that make you feel confident. Like how you look, how you dressed up, how you talk. Yes.
Would you marry a man you are not physically attracted to if he gave you the life you've always wanted?
I think no.
What do older men usually do better than younger men? What can an older guy do better than a younger guy?
In business po, I think in business, they have a lot of experience in business, experience in everything.
In your opinion, could young Filipinas in their 20s and 30s really love a 50-year-old foreigner?
I've seen a lot of Filipina with foreigners because I know that foreigners love Filipinas and you know um, Filipinas are more capable of doing things like in household. Yeah, I think that's my answer.
Okay. So, yes, definitely, right? Definitely, if young Filipinas, they could really love a 50-year-old foreigner.
Yes.
Okay. How about you?
For me, it's not my I can love foreigner, but no one interested. I think.
Oh, yeah, no one.
Oh, they have already chatted me before,
Mhm.
but I've s- he's married.
Oh, he's married and he messaged you.
Yes, I ignore him.
What if he is not married? He's single, 50-year-old, rich. Would you ever, do you see yourself with a 50-year-old rich foreigner? Or even not rich, stable, financially stable?
I think we can talk about life or business.
Okay.
We can negotiate.
I'll take that as a yes.
Yes, yes,
Okay. He's still in college, right?
yes. I am incoming fourth year college.
Okay, graduating soon. What was your course again, Be?
Uh, bi- uh, Business management po, major in hospitality management.
This is her second time in the channel, and we're very glad that she accepted it for the second time. So thank you so much. You're welcome, Be. Very sweet. What are your names and ages?
I'm Abby, 23. I'm Kim, 24.
You both look younger than your ages. Okay, first question. What makes a man instantly more attractive no matter his age?
Has a good mindset. Okay, so for me, I think good personality na lang.
Would you rather date a broke guy your age or a stable, mature man? Let's start with you, ma'am.
I think it depends. Also, I can also date a broke man because
You want to date a broke
Mm-mm.
man?
yeah. And also siya napapatagalog ako.
It's okay.
I think not at all
because not only because you are broke man, you cannot provide. So as long as you are hardworking, so you can provide naman. And it can also attract a girl, not just because you are broke, you cannot provide. As long as you have your own ways of making money, like that.
And also, you're open to a stable, mature man, right?
I almost prefer on a mature guy like that. I don't have immature because my experience about is almost immature. So I want a mature one.
Okay. You feel like you're immature, so you needed someone who is mature.
Something to correct me if I'm so over jolly or whatever.
Okay. Okay, how about you, ma'am?
At this age, I'm not too old pa naman. But at this age, I want uh what, what's the second?
A broke guy your age or someone who is stable, mature man?
A stable and a mature man, because at this age, of course, I want someone that can provide and have a secure mindset, and of course a man that can lead, because we're not getting young. That's it.
What do older men usually do better than younger men?
A man who knows what he wants.
Also, the one who can provide more on, and then also when it comes in mindset, syempre, more on nabublang.
Okay, so older men, they usually do better in providing like financially.
Yes.
Emotionally and everything, that channely.
Everything. Okay, older men, they usually do better
Yeah.
with everything.
Yes, because of experience, and it comes with the age talaga.
Do you want to add anything?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Do you think attraction can grow over time? Yes or no? Do you think attraction can grow over time?
Yeah.
Yes. Because when he learns you, of course you get attached, and it it's it has it's like a plus points when he learns you, and he learns everything about you. When he makes an effort, it's so attractive. That's it.
What's more attractive, confidence or youth?
I think confidence.
Confidence, yes, confidence. Because when you know everything, or you are confident about everything, it follows. Everything follows.
Would you marry a guy, a man you are not physically attracted, but he's going to give you everything you've wanted in life?
What do you think? I think Hmm, I think yes. I can.
I think no.
In your opinion, could young Filipinas in their 20s and 30s really love a 50-year-old foreigner?
I think yes. In the way, and some Filipina married a more older than them. So I think yes.
Yeah.
It's not possible. So I think yeah.
How about you? How about me?
I think
I think it's a yes. I think it's a yes.
but for me I just want like 30 plus like that. Not but we're older than me like that. So but I think I don't know.
You don't know. So you're open to, right? You're open to. You're not closing your door.
Yes, maybe.
How about you?
Um, personally, no. I'd like,
No, no. The first question. Like, could young Filipinas?
of course, yes. Age doesn't matter, but for me personally, I don't. I'd like at least 30 plus or under 20s pa. Yes.
So you don't want a mature man?
Not no. There's 30 years old has a matured mindset no.
Both singles, or are you in a relationship ships, or like you do you have boyfriends? What?
Both single.
How how long have you been singles?
2 years.
Um months.
Is still in college.
Graduate.
Graduate. And you too.
Yes, graduate.
So what is that? Like you're working now?
I'm having review for board exam.
For example. Teacher?
Criminology.
Oh, so you're gonna be a police officer.
I don't know. I'm not the. I don't know if what.
Okay.
I'm not.
If you pass the examination, then
I will try, but if not, then go to abroad.
see you see yourself like
Data.
so if you couldn't pass the examination to become a police officer, then you're going to second option is for you to move abroad.
To work.
Which country?
I think. Why ano is Japan or Canada like that?
Canada. I saw on social media a lot of Filipinos. Canada. How about you, Bem?
Graduate. 2 years working.
What is your job?
In accounting firm. We're doing accounting stuff for our clients.
How about this one? Would you ever date a foreigner?
If there's a chance, if there's a chance, then why not? Yeah.
Same thing.
Yes.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you so much. They're very shy guys, but they did it. We're done. We're done. We're finally done. They're actually having second thought if they're gonna do the interview or not. But I was like, let's do it. And then they did it. Okay, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, guys. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member, where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thanks for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection